Hello everyone. Just trying to what English. It's been a very tiring day, pero kailangan nating mag-work. Kasi naman, alipin tayo ng salapi. 'Di ba? Guys, don't mind this one, ha? Because it's my asset. No, it's my lucky charm. This one, I have a big nose, and this one, acne, scars. It's okay. It's yun yung kayamanan ko. Na hindi mawala-wala at hindi ko kayang ipamana sa anak ko. See? But it's okay. Diba? Ganun talaga. Kailangan natin diba? So, ang totoo niyan, I'm just try my mic. That's why I have a lot of itch right now. Ayun. Good night, everyone. Thank you for everything. Engage. Engage is the key.